Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make mango caramel popcorn. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, we put corn and oil in a pressure cooker or a pan and make popcorn. Now in another pan add butter and sugar. Keep stirring it till sugar is caramelized. It will start melting in 5 to 7 minutes. After it has completely melted, we'll put butter and mix it. Now we add the mango puree, which I simply made by grinding mango slices. Now we mix and incorporate, and then we add baking soda once the mixture starts boiling. To check if the caramel is ready, we put a drop of it in cold water. If it freezes, then it's ready. If it doesn't freeze, just cook it for 5 to 6 minutes more. Now we add the popcorn that we made before and coat it with the caramel. Make sure to coat all the popcorn properly. Once done, turn off the stove, put it in a plate and spread it out using a spoon. Be careful as the caramel will be really hot. Wait for a few minutes and then separate it using your hands. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature and then refrigerate for an hour. Voila! Mango caramel popcorn is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.